the training reforms. And people are saying that the training reforms are coming in as of March 2020. Now, yes, they are, but it's not quite what people are thinking. These are not the property industry or property services reforms that Fair Trading are bringing in as per the bill that was passed in March last year. And we're now awaiting that. That's lots of changes, and some of those are about training. What the changes are happening as of 20th of March, or must be in effect by the 21st of March in 2020, is a change to the actual qualification. Now, guys, this affects us. That is the Australian College of Professional Registered Training Organisations. In essence, it doesn't really affect you guys. When you come to do a training program, it needs to meet the national requirements for the issue of a qualification. Now, we have to make sure that we get that right, and you obviously need to make sure that you're getting the right qualification. When Fair Trading give us and give to everybody within the industry the units of competency under the new qualification that came through in March this year, then we will know what you guys need to do and what needs to happen with the new qualification. But guys, that's our problem. We'll fix that. We'll make sure that our training meets the new requirements when Fair Trading give us the units of competency that we need. Now, that's going to happen sometime later in the year. So guys, calm down. Don't get confused about some of the information that some training colleges are putting out there. It's not coming from us. It is. And whilst it is correct in essence, it is confusing in terms of it is not about the new reforms coming as part of the Property, Stock and Business Agents Act amendments. It is something that is happening from a qualification level, and it affects the registered training organisations and how we operate and how we offer those training. And we guarantee you that as of March of next year, you'll be getting the right qualification. And we will transition to that qualification when Fair Trading give us the nod for the units of competency that need to be in it. Please don't worry, take a deep breath, and just know that if you're coming through us for training, we are absolutely giving you the correct qualification and the most relevant qualification for what you need at this point in time for what Fair Trading, the New South Wales Fair Trading regulations are. So there's just a little bit of clarity. Stop listening to misinformation, and we can all move ahead nicely in getting yourselves, particularly for those guys who are moving from a certificate of registration to a licence. And there should be a lot of you doing that at the moment to make sure that you meet the legislative requirements of the new Property, Stock and Business Agents reforms that will come in at some time, perhaps later this year, early next year. So whenever Fair Trading give us those new regulations. So guys, as I said before, and I've said it a couple of times in this post, calm down. There's nothing to worry about. We're under control with this.